Okay, I'm back in California. Uh, it's super loud right now, so there's kind of no point in talking here, but this is basically Dock Wheeler Beach, and we're just hanging out with friends. But it's a cloudy day, unfortunately. It was sunny earlier, and it was a lot nicer earlier, but you can see a sliver of the sunset right there. So I just wanted to record that. But I'm back from Japan. I've been back for about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks actually, but it's gonna be an interesting. It's been an interesting experience, like getting back into things. But we'll talk about it more when my voice is a bit more audible, since this ocean and the planes up there are very loud. But it's good to be back in some ways. I have a lot of thoughts and a lot of things I need to process, but we'll do that later.
All right, it's been actually 3 months since I recorded that video at the beach, and I have definitely had a lot of time to process things. And also, I kind of sounded very happy like during that video, and I'm like thinking and watching it, and I'm like, oh my gosh, past me did not know what was in store. Basically, right after that video, 2 months, I was just struggling. I was just seriously struggling to get back on top of things, and just had a hard time processing it. It was definitely one of the probably most unproductive times in my life. I just watched like a whole bunch of movies, anime, TV shows, and was playing this one game that I used to play a while back. But the past month or so, I'd say pretty much the past month, exactly from this point in time, I really got back on top of things, and I'm finally probably the most productive I've been in a long while, I'd say. So definitely a 180, and it took a lot of struggling to get here, but I'm finally getting back into making videos, finally getting back into actually trying to do YouTube as well on my main channel. That's gonna be also like changed from here on, but that's, you can see the changes on my actual main channel. But for this one, I'm still gonna keep it as just make whatever I want, post whatever I want. I really think having that freedom in creativity, as well as just freedom in expressing myself, is like something I really, really want to keep. And this is part of what I do, and it's part of what I do now, and it's fun for me. I enjoy it. So I want to keep doing this as much as I can. And that's the update for now. I just was struggling for 2 months, and the way I got out of it was just trying my best to start challenging myself to form new habits, to let go of old habits. Like right now, I'm in the middle of doing a push-up challenge and a pull-up challenge, similar to the one I've done before actually, but this one's a bit harder in that I don't have a single rest day. I've done it 21 days in a row now of 100 push-ups and 50 pull-ups. It was very, very difficult getting to that point, and I had days where I seriously struggled, but just being consistent with something really helps with gaining confidence in that I can do other things. And after I've gotten that confidence, here I am again in front of the camera. And I've also been doing another challenge where I basically just don't consume any entertainment or media, because I did way too much of that in the first 2 months. So for the past, I think 18 days now, I've just watched like zero entertainment media, meaning like zero anime, zero YouTube in terms of what I used to watch for entertainment or news or whatever. I still watch tutorials if I really need to learn something, like on the spot. So that's the only exception. Those three challenges, since the push-up and pull-up one is technically two different ones, have been going really, really well. Have not missed a single day for the past pretty much 3 weeks, I'd say. So that is excellent. And like I said, it's brought me back here to where I can finally talk to the camera, because I don't feel like a terrible version of myself, where I feel like I actually feel good, I feel good about myself, and I'm able to like show myself. So yeah, that is something that has been going on for the past 3 months. Definitely a struggle since I've gotten back from Japan, but now I'm ready to actually talk more about it, give my tips, also talk about the future as well. But there's a lot of things I need to figure out in terms of that I've been telling myself that I need to figure out for a while now, that I haven't. But at the very least, my intentions are set and my timelines are set. I really want to do something within next year. And I will probably visit Japan again within this year as well. But yeah, there's a lot of plans that I'm formulating, and it's about time that I started to talk to the camera again and started making stuff for this channel again as well. I actually posted my piano cover the other day just to post a video, I guess. But yeah, lots of content probably related to Japan coming up soon for this channel, and also just a few videos for my main channel. And then I can move on to making content again about basically whatever I want. I feel like I've definitely created, well, I also want to create a lot of videos, like short videos related to Japan, since I didn't do that at all while I was there. And I have a whole bunch of videos that I've taken throughout my journey there, my adventure there, that I want to show, because a lot of them are really good videos, like just well shot on the Sony ZV-E1, and I would like to showcase that at least a little bit. So that's the plan so far, and that's where I'm at right now. Still a lot to figure out, but also moving forward in a big way, like really getting back, really getting my shit together, basically. So yeah, it's good to be back. It's good to be back mentally, you know, and then just continue from here on. Basically, it's just moving forward, right? So I also really want to do more vlogs. I think the best videos, or my favorite videos for this channel when I was in Japan, were me like basically walking around and vlogging. So I really wish I did that more, because I kind of didn't. I think I did it like less than 10 times. I can count it in my fingers. So that's something I really want to try doing here as well. So I guess I'll try doing that the next time I go out somewhere interesting. Yeah, okay, that's it. Catch you guys in the next one.